mathematics. In case in the course of 21 or 22 days you might have forgotten all the formulas, so I like to remind those formulas now. First, few formulas you have got in your previous year, that is a plus b whole square, and I hope you remember this one properly. A square plus twice ab plus b square. And second one was a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And also you got a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. And this year in the starting of the exercise you have got the formula x plus a 3. Now this is one more, that is in the starting of your exercise 4.1 you got this one, x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to, you see here the first term is same, x, and the second terms are different. In this case the first term will be square and the second term will be the sum of the second term multiplied by the common first term, that is in this case we have x plus a, the second terms product of the second term, that is a into b. Now in case if you have any problem regarding this formula, let us take some examples. Now you have, suppose a plus 1, or you can take another variable, suppose p plus 1 into p plus 3. Just you need to see that the first terms remain the same and second terms whatever it may be. So as per rule, the formula, the first term has to be squared. So you have p, so you will get p squared. And secondly, the second term will get by taking the sum of the second terms, that is 1 plus 3 multiplied by the first term, that is p. And the third term will be the product of the second terms, that is 1 into 3. So you will get p square plus 4p plus 1 into 3, 3. Now in case you have problems regarding the sign, now let us take one more example. Suppose you have x minus 4 into x plus, suppose say 1. See here, the first term is same, that is x. So as per rule, you have to square the first term. So you get x squared. Then plus sum of the second term. But here you have to concentrate on the sign of the second term. Here you have minus 4 and here you have plus 1. So you will get minus 4 plus 1, and this will be multiplied the first term, that is same. What is here? X. Plus product of the second terms. So here you have, as per all I have said you, that this is minus 4 multiplied by second term of the other expression, that is plus 1, or you can simply write 1. So from this you will get minus 4 plus 1 will give you minus 3. So here plus and minus will become minus, so you have minus 3x. And 4 into 1 is 4 and plus into minus is minus, so you will get minus 4. So I'll give some questions for your assignment in the WhatsApp group. Now let us again take the other formulas also. So here we have got 4 formulas. This you have got already in your previous classes, so I am not going to discuss about these 3 formulas. So this is the new one that you are getting. So I'll give you some assignments regarding this formula. Now let us continue with. Now we are coming to the new formula. Now as you have got in binomial, just we are writing a plus b or a minus b. So in those two terms you have two particular thing, a and b. So those are known as binomial. Now in binomial expansion, First look at this. I'll write the formula. A cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube, and a minus b whole cube, plus like you have got in a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. The terms were the same, a square twice ab and b square, but the difference is in the sign. So similarly here also, whatever is the term for a plus b whole cubes, all the terms will be same for a minus b whole cube. So you will get a cube thrice a square b thrice a b square and b cube. But the thing is that wherever the power of b is odd, so here we have, here nothing means 1, so here the power is odd, here the power is odd. So wherever the power is odd, so before those terms you have to write minus and rest plus. So remember, terms will remain the same, but wherever the power is odd, in case of b, as you have seen, the minus is in front of b. So wherever the power of b is odd, in front of those terms you have to give the minus sign. Now, how to remember these two formulas? So it's a very easy trick. In case of binomial expansion, whatever is the power in the expansion, plus 1. So here the highest power is 3. So plus 1 means what? 4. So that means in the expansion we will have 4 terms. So a plus b or a minus b, already told you, the terms will remain the same. Just you have to give the minus sign in case of a minus b whole cube where the power of b is odd. Now to remember these two formulas, there is one easy trick. As I have told you already, that since the power is 3 and this is a binomial expansion, so 3 means add 1 to 3, that will give you 4. So in this expansion you will have 4 terms and the terms are a and b. So you write 4ab like this: first, second, third, fourth. Now since the power is 3, so we have 4 terms. So 4 terms, whenever you have 4 terms, so which one will consider as the middle term? Like in case when you have 5 terms, you can take the third term as the middle term, but whenever you have 4 terms, you cannot take the middle term. So you have to take the second and third term as the middle term. So here we have 2 middle terms. So in those 2 middle terms, in front of that you have to write 3. Now since the highest power is 3, right from here power of a 3, then decrease 3, next comes in the descending order 2, next 1, and in next 0, and do the same thing for b in the reverse order: 3, 2, 1, 0. And for a plus b whole cube, all the terms will become positive. And simplify this, you will get the formula: b to the power 0 means 1. So this will give you a cube, this will be thrice a square b, and this is thrice a b square, and this one will a to the power 0 means 1. 1 into b cube is b cube. So is this not the formula? Compare these two, they are the same. And this is the easiest tricks to remember the formula. And for a minus b whole cube, this will remain as same, but as I have told you, where there is odd, you have to write minus b cube. So you have got the, I think you have got the formula correct. And let us see the other form of these two formulas. Now when in case of algebra, the thing is that the rule is that you have to arrange the terms in case of descending power. Okay, so here the highest power is 3. So if you look at this power, here we have 3, 2, 2, 3. The highest power is 3. So you have to write those terms first, which is the highest power. So you can write like this: a cube, b cube. And from these two terms, you can take thrice ab common. So this will give you a plus b. Similarly, in case of this one, a cube, this one is minus b cube, and from this two again you can take thrice a b common. This will give you a, since you have taken minus is common, so this will become minus. Now see, from this we can deduce some other formula, but those are not known as formulas, those are known as corollary. And the mother of all formulas are these two only. From these two we will derive more and more formulas in the coming days. So let us see first. So practically, if you think in terms of equation, let us think about a cube plus b cube. So if you want the value of a cube plus b cube, then you will transfer this part to the other side. So from this you will get, that means this part, that is thrice ab whole into a plus b, you have to bring to the other side. So this will give you a cube plus b cube. So this is also an important derivation, that is a cube plus b cube. Now this will be useful for finding the value of a cube plus b cube if we are given the value of a plus b and the product of a and b. That is sum of both the terms and product of the both. If you know that, then we can find the value of a cube plus b cube. Similarly, in case of this one, now it is obviously, since this is minus thrice ab, so if you bring to the other side, this will become plus thrice ab. So a cube minus b cube will be equal to what? A minus b whole cube plus thrice ab whole into a minus b. Now almost same. If you know this, then you can find this one. So these are known as corollaries. So these are useful for finding some values. For example, if I give you like this, one example, if suppose a minus b equal to suppose 3 and ab equal to 10 suppose, then you are asked to find the value of a cube minus b cube. Now if you are given these two, if you think of equation part, so if you are given a minus b and ab, so you cannot find out the value of a and b. Now for finding a cube minus b cube, what we can do now, we can use this, that is corollary that we have got from this formula. Now from this, if you look at this formula, what we need? A minus b and ab. So we are given a minus b equal to 3 and ab equal to 10. So a cube minus b cube will be equal to a minus b whole cube plus thrice ab whole into a minus b. So a minus b means 3ab, and ab means 10 and a minus b means, so 3 cube is 27, this one is 3 3s are 9, 9 into 10, 90. So that is equal to 117. So hope you have understood these formulas. If you have understood this thing, now again, like we have found out two corollaries from these two formulas, again we are going to find two more formulas. Now if you have understood, I think I can rub this one. Now from our corollary, we got a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus thrice ab whole into a plus b. Now if you see this type of terms that is common in both the terms, I think your mouth would be licking for taking common. So why don't you take it? Take common a plus b. So here you will get, since 1 you have taken as common, so you will have power 2, that is a plus b whole square. Then thrice ab, and we have taken common, so nothing more. So this one, break this one, expansion a plus b whole square, you know it properly, a square plus twice ab plus b square, and this one is minus thrice ab. So you have now twice ab minus twice ab, this will give you minus ab, and I think this looks like some product of two expression. So this is why this is one more formula for a cube plus b cube, and this particular thing is used for factorizing. Now if I take one example, suppose you have 27x cube plus 8y cube. 27x cube plus 8y cube. So obviously 27 is a cube of 3. So you can write as thrice x cube, and this can be written as twice y cube. So this obviously looks like a cube plus b cube, where a is thrice x and b is twice y. So look at this, a is thrice x, so you have to write thrice x plus b, that is twice y. Next one is a square, that is thrice x square, minus ab, that is minus 3x into 2y, plus b square, that is 2y square. So this will become thrice x plus twice y into